अच्छा मैं गा तो सकता नहीं हूँ। मोहित सर, अ बिग 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 थैंक यू। विद्या, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर एंड ऑनरिंग अस विद दिस डिस्क। रेडियो मिर्ची, मिर्ची सुनने वाले ऑलवेज खुश। और हमसे खुश कौन है इस वक्त? अंकित। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहूंगा मिर्ची के सभी लिसनर्स के लिए, ये सब तभी मुमकिन होता है जब आप हमारा गाना सुनते हैं और बहुत दिल से सुनते हैं। डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए। डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए। हमारा कद तो कभी इतना बड़ा था ही नहीं, तुम्हारे कंधों पे बैठे तो हम बुलंद हुए। थैंक यू सो मच। अंकित, ओवर टू यू।
सबसे पहला थैंक्स अगर बनता है तो मोहित का बनता है एक्चुअली। और मेरी लाइफ का पहला टर्निंग पॉइंट अगर कहें तो आशिकी टू था। माय सॉन्ग वाज सुन रहा है ना तू रो रहा हूँ मैं। उसके बाद सेकेंड टाइम विलन ऑफ कोर्स तेरी गलियां। मैं यही बोलूँगा मोहित कि यार आपने बहुत अच्छी नज़र कर ली थी, कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें। जो लाइन थी वो बहुत फिट बैठती है हमारे आपके रिलेशन पे। मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि मुझे ट्वीट आ रहे हैं और मुझे हक के ट्वीट पे मुझे मेरा नाम लिखा होता है, उसमें पूछते मेरा गाना का है। बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। So thank you Mirchi, thank you for this, thank you Sren for calling me bro. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you. And Ankit, thank you so much. Manoj, thank you so much. Your award joy, it's completely deserving. The reason I'm saying it's Ghar Ki Murgi is because the next song, which is also the Golden Disc winner, happens to be again from the same film. Again, it's your film. Mohammad Irfan and Mithun for Banjara.
Banjara is a very, very special song for us. Myself and Mohit spent a lot of time discussing about this song. And it was a very simple expression कि what मोहब्बत बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है ज़िंदगी में, but in this song किसी बेघर को पनाह मिल गई. That was the metaphor that we used. And I really enjoyed writing this song a lot, and it came with a lot of ease. And actually I started writing also because of Mohit Suri. And then when the song came up, it wasn't not one of the easiest songs to sing, and it was a very tough call ki who's going to sing this song. And then I called in Mohammad Irfan, and I think one of the finest vocal performances of our recent times has been Mohammad Irfan. And trust me, Banjara is not easy to sing. I'll be very, very happy to see Mohammad Irfan sing that song for all of us here right now. He's there. Don't let him go. We need a round of applause for the fabulous band over here. They have prepared our songs, and I would like to say that Dharmesh was my senior. He used to come to college, and I have learnt a lot from him.
Thank you, Mithun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Irfan. And to present the last award, Vidya and Mohit. All the connections coming. The next song is almost a song that threatens you. It's like Arnab Goswami would be singing this song purely because because it tells you तेरे होके रहेंगे दिल जिद पर अड़ा है. It orders you. Raja Natwar Lal, Irshad Kamil. So where are you? Yuvan Shankar Raja, who's not here, and the man who's always invisible, Arijit Singh. Irshad bhai, if you could come on stage to collect the golden disc for Tere Hoke Rahenge from Raja Natwar Lal.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Radio Mirchi, and thank you, KD, Kunal Deshmukh, and everybody who was involved in this movie. And more than that, thank you to the listeners who like this song. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Irshad bhai. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you so much for coming here. And I hope you all the best. We love the music. It's doing so well. I hope the music, the film all come together and it's a smash hit. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Just last words. I think I've never had a song in the Mirchi Top 20 for a very long time. I'm guessing Hamari Adhuri Kahani will break that.
It's in the number five position
It
already.
started at number
Yes, ma'am.
5. I'm hoping it goes up and stays there for a long, long time. But before I leave, 12th of June, I'll see all of you in the theatres. 12th of June. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Okay, to give away the next set of awards, another legend of the music industry. Can we please put our hands together for Mr. Roop Kumar Rathod, Mr. Nikhil Chaturvedi, and of course, Roop Kumar sir. The next golden disc that goes to the song, in the words of the singer, I'm not even telling you a story, in the words of the singer, he's so thankful that they used the actor's body and his voice and not the other way around. And it's a song that started a series of man crushes purely because it features Hrithik Roshan topless on a beach. And what else do you want? Ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Meherban, Vishal Shekhar, who are not here, Shilpa Rao, a singer, and the man who gave us that massive quote. His body, Hrithik Roshan's voice, not happening. Ash King. So you both will have to wait. Okay, now I'm not going to waste a single moment because there's a massive crowd that is gathering there. Ladies and gentlemen, the next Golden Disc Award winner, I only invited the musicians. This actor also turns up because he said it's my song. The team of Ji Karda featuring Varun Dhawan.
say Badlapur has been the most special movie of my life, and I have to thank Sachin Jigar because this journey would not be complete without them. I think it's very easy for the actors who just come in front of the screen and take all the credit, but honestly the real heroes are these guys who create these tunes for us to express all this anguish. Even Divyak, who's come like an angel in my life, he's sung for me also in ABC2, has an amazing voice. So I'm going to request him to sing a little bit of Ji Karda for you guys.
एक मिनट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक वरुण के कोई एक्टर ने किसी सिंगर को इतना प्रमोट नहीं किया जितना